How to file a personal injury claim against a landlord to unsafe condition. Hello and welcome. If you have been injured because of unsafe condition in a rental property, this video will help you understand how to file a personal injury claim against your landlord. We will break everything down into simple steps so you know exactly what to do to protect your rights and get the compensation you deserve. Landlords have a legal responsibility to keep their property safe and well maintained. If they fail to do so and you suffer an injury as a result, you may be able to file a personal injury claim. Unsafe condition can include broken stair, faulty ring, leaking ceiling, mold, paste, loose handrails, poor lighting, or any other hazards that the landlords fail to fix. The first thing you should do after an injury is seek medical attention. Your health come first, and getting medical treatment right away will help prevent further complications. A doctor will examine your injuries, provide the necessary treatment, and document everything in a medical report. This report will be crucial evidence for your claim. After seeking medical attention, gather as much evidence as possible. Take picture and video of the unsafe condition that caused your injury. If there were any witnesses, ask for their contact information and a statement. Check if there are any previous complaint or repair request about the issue. If you had report the problem before the landlord failed to fix it, this can strengthen your case. Keep copies of email, text, or letter sent to the landlord regarding the hazardous condition. Next, report the injury to your landlords or property manager. Send a written notice detailing what happened and include the date, time, and location of the accident. Keep a copy of this report for your record. If your landlords refuse to acknowledge the problem, this can be used as evidence in your case. Once you have collected enough evidence, consult a personal injury lawyer. Filing a claim against a landlord can be complicated, especially if they deny responsibility. A lawyer will help you understand your legal rights, gather more evidence, and negotiate with the landlord's insurance company. Most personal injury lawyers offer free consultation, so it is worth discussing your case with an expert. Your, your lawyer will help you file the claim. This involves drafting a legal document that explains how the accident happened, the unsafe condition that caused it, and the damage you have suffered. The claim is then sent to the landlord or their insurance company. They may either accept liability and offer a settlement or deny the claim. If they offer a settlement, your lawyer will negotiate to ensure you receive fair compensation. If they deny the claim or refuse to pay a fair amount, your case may go to court. If your case goes to court, your lawyer will present medical records, photos, witness statement, and other evidence to prove that your injury was caused by the landlord's negligence. The goal is to show that the landlords know about the unsafe condition but fail to take action, leading to your injuries. If the court rules in your favor, you will be awarded compensation for medical expenses, lost wage, pain and suffering, and other damage. It is important to act quickly because there is a time limit for filing a personal injury claim. This is called the statute of limitation and it varies depending on the state or country. If you wait too long, you may lose your right to file a claim. Many people also wonder how long the claim process takes. The timeline depending on how complex the case is and whether the landlord's or insurance company is willing to settle. Some claims are resolved in a few months, while others may take longer. If you worried about legal fees, most personal injury lawyers work on a contingency fees. This means you do not have to pay anything up front. The lawyer only get paid if you win your case. This makes it easier for tenants to get legal help without financial stress. To summarize it, if you have been injured due to unsafe condition in your rental property, take the following steps. First is seek medical attention immediately. Gather evidence of the hazardous condition and your injuries. Report the issue to your landlords in writing. Consult a personal injury lawyer to discuss your option. File a claim and be prepared to negotiate or go to court if necessary. Unsafe living condition can lead to serious injuries, but by taking the right legal step, you can hold your landlords accountable and get the compensation you need. Do not wait too long to take action. If you or a loved one has suffered an injury due to an unsafe rental property, speak to a lawyer today and start the claiming process. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more legal tips and advice. If you have any question, feel free to leave them in the comment below. Stay safe and take care.